Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video, I am going to tell you how to create bootable pen drive for Windows 11. So, friends, finally, Windows 11 has launched. Now we can download Windows 11 from Windows Microsoft websites and install, and we can also create bootable pen drive. So friends, let me show you how we can download Windows 11 and how to create bootable pen drive. So friends, first of all on Google type here download Windows 11. Now go to Microsoft website here, click on download Windows 11. Now here you will get assistance of Windows 11 installation. So I will let you know how to create bootable pen drive. So we have to download media creation tool to create pen drive, bootable pen drive. Okay, just click on download to download media creation tool and then run it. Click on yes on user control. Now it's getting ready. You have to insert pen drive on your PC. Pen drive should be at least 8 GB. Okay, just click on next. You have to select your language, your Windows 10, 11. Now click on next. Here you have to select if you have a DVD, then you can create DVD, and if you have USB, then you can select USB flash drive. Now click on next. So you can see my drive list is app. Okay, pen drive. I have already inserted pen drive here. So click on next. So now it's start downloading ISO file on pen drive here. Wait till download. After complete, we will see how to install. Now bootable pen drive successfully created here. Now, now we have to insert pen drive and restart our PC. Okay, let's see. Now friends, I have inserted pen drive on which PC I have to install, and I booted my PC from pen drive. Now I have to select here my pen drive bootable device will be my pen drive UEFI Kingston data. Okay, just press enter and now it will be boot with my pen drive here. Now you will get this screen. So now you have to select language and click on next. We have to click on next here, then click on install now. Okay, now setup is starting here. Now if you have a product key, then you have to insert, otherwise you have to select I don't have a product key. And okay, I don't have a product key. Now here you have to select your version, which version you have to install. So I'm going to install pro version. Click on next. Now you have to select here, accept here term and condition of Windows 11. Now you have to select this checkbox. Now friends, here you have to select custom to customize your installation, or you can see here unlocated space. So you have to click on new, to just click on new to create partition and then apply, and now click on OK and you will see your partition created. Now click on next to install iOS Windows on this partition. Now you can see installation is started here. Now it will take time, so you have to wait for this till complete this installation. After complete this step, you will get here, you can see it is 6% completed here. So now it's going to finish. Now your PC going to start. To continue, no need to do anything. Don't power off your PC, it will do automatic. So you can see it's getting ready. Now it's getting ready. It will take time. Just sit back and watch. Okay, taking some moment to complete the process. Now see, it's beginning. It's a new feature of Windows 11. Now you have to select your country name. Select your country name here. Now click on yes. Now you have to select your keyboard layout. So I'm selecting my keyboard layout US and click on yes. Now you can skip this step. Just skip it. Now let's connect to your network. If you want to do later, then you have to select I don't have internet. Then if you want to connect to your Wi-Fi, otherwise you have to continue with limited setup. Select continue with limited setup. Now here you have to provide your PC name, username. So just provide your username here. So in my case I'm providing my username TechNet Guide. Okay, now click on next and provide your password here. Then confirm password. Confirm your password. Now click on next. Now here you have to select your security question. Select your security question. Pet name, nickname, whatever you want to give. So there is 3 security question. So now click on next here. It's the privacy setting. We'll do next, next, accept here. Now it's beginning. Getting things ready for you. Okay, wait for this till the complete. Don't turn off your PC here. Okay, so almost completed here. You can see. Now you will get your Windows 11 desktop. So friends, this is a new feature of Windows 11, new layout of Windows 11, and you can see it's amazing layout here, amazing design. You can see here. You can see this is. You can see this is a start button here. Start button, and above you can see Microsoft Edge, Mail, Calendar, Microsoft settings is there. Features you can see this is a power button. So shutdown or restart button is here. So later we will see in this video, in this series we will see Windows 11 features whatever. So friends, in this video you have seen how to create Windows 11 portable pen drive and installation process. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.